If you're not familiar, I'm making 2 different types of banana bread today. I'm making a vegan banana bread and a normal banana bread. We need to start with some flour, okay? Flour is gonna be one of the first things that we use. I don't need my food processor, but what I do need is a sifter. So, and we are going to grab a measuring cup. We need 1 1/3 cup. Measure it out twice, 1 for each one. You just want to make sure that you level off your cups, you know? So we're doing baking powder first. Doing 2 teaspoons. Just remember that it's TSP, not TBSP. And you want to level that off. So a lot of it, like baking powders, will have the lid kind of flat, so you can level it off in itself. So you want to add all of this before sifting. We need a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So do your best. Try and keep it as level as possible. And then baking soda. We need quarter of baking soda. And same thing, just make sure you try and use the box to level off your scoop. And then you're going to put all that in together. Okay, so you basically just take it and you just run the sifter till it's all nice and empty. Then you're going to do it all a second time for the non-vegan version. And there's going to be some on the sides. You see how it gets caked up on the bottom there. So you just have to kind of toss it a little bit and then just run it through again. So that is the first one. Now we're going to go ahead and do the second one. Okay, so that's that. The next thing that we need to do is add our sugar. Okay, so we're going to use a 1/3 cup for the sugar. We're going to use it for 2/3 cup. Hope you're writing this down. So we're going to add 2/3 cup. I do remember what we need the 1 cup for. We need the 1 cup for banana. So 2/3 cup of sugar. Okay, this is the fun part. We need to add shortening, and then we whisk it. The reason it's the fun part, I don't think I have a whisk. I have a tiny little rinky-dink whisk. I'm kind of gonna just use this. 4 ads again. Well, boy, oh boy, this is the perfect time to mention if you want to enjoy more of my floundering about and making banana bread that I haven't made in years, subscribe. The hard part with shortening is getting it exactly the right amount. But you just need 1/3 cup. Kind of like doing frosting on a cake, right? You don't want any holes, because holes are bad. But you also don't want to not have enough, right? I don't know if the vegan version is going to be good, by the way. So just keep that in mind. The test doesn't happen for like an hour and a half. And these are just our dry ingredients. Once we get wet ingredients, you will not want clumpy at all. So the bananas. I don't have a lot of mixing bowls. I've got like just enough to do this. We have 2 banana. Oh man, all my banana opened. Okay, so we're gonna try and open all these banana. I don't have a masher either. Which is why I haven't made banana bread in like forever. But with bananas, when they're old enough, take a fork. Fork is fine. Should be, if I recall correctly, it's about 2 banana that you want. So it's gonna look like baby food. Yummy baby food. You guys want to try it? Baby food for chat, yum. I don't have a KitchenAid. What I do have is a hand mixer, 2 hands, a fork, and a really, really tiny whisk. So it's kind of like the Bob Ross of cooking shows, basically. So we're gonna eye level this bad boy. I know you guys can't see me right now. Maybe a 1/4 cup is like. So we're gonna have vegan one, not vegan. Then you go ahead and mix this all in. Get all your nice, yummy egg in. I'm realizing in hindsight that there is not nearly enough banana from these 2 bananas. Actually, there's like just enough. There's like just enough. Okay. And we're gonna use the hand mixer. So we're gonna separate our untouched non-vegan bowl. Hand mixerino. Pepe Pains if you hear the garbage truck outside. So I am not a banana bread master. I've never claimed to be a banana bread master. I will say that this is how we made banana bread in my house growing up. So I like it. If you ever try it or ever want to try it, I can give you my mother's handwriting. It's about to get kind of loud. Why? Well, because we're putting the banana in. Luckily, we're not doing the every time you make me laugh, I add another banana. Because this is actually turning out okay. Doesn't look too terrible. If you happen to have rubber spatulars, I recommend using one of those. The reason being, when you have a rubber spatula, right, and you're going at it, right, you're able to get stuff off the sides, so you can make sure that there's no clumpiness to it. Easy solution, get a KitchenAid. Okay, listen, if you want to donate $500 so that I can get a motherfucking KitchenAid, I will get a motherfucking KitchenAid. I want a KitchenAid. I've been asking for a KitchenAid as long as I've been asking for a VR headset. Let me just show you guys the nice consistency of this batter. Look at that. No clumps, nice and smooth. Yummy banana bread. We're just using canola oil because it's what we have that's in a can that we can spray. Okay. And then we pour this bad boy in. I'm going to flatten this out as best we can. All right, and then you throw this into the oven for an hour 10. And I'm willing to accept that it might be a massive cope, honestly. Okay, we're gonna take the first bread out and show it to you guys. I don't have 2 oven mitts, I just have these nice crocheted pads, so. Oh, looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Smells like banana bread. Look. Look at it, chat. Holy negative ASMR, Batman. You guys like that? The ASMR of the rice cooker? Well, guess what time it is? It's banana bread time. Looks like it rose really well. Okay, chat, if you guys would like to see, this is the normal loaf. I'm gonna bring you guys down here in a second. I'm gonna ask you to tell me which one is which. Which one's the vegan one? That's right, you can't fucking tell, can you? That's the fucking point. They look exactly the same, they fucking smell great. Oh man, that smells You don't know how good that shit smells.